Welcome to Display Week 2021 and the Young Engineer Spotlight. I have the pleasure of talking to Ingo Rotscholl from TechnoTeam. Ingo, can you give us a quick introduction, please?
I'm Ingo Rotscholl from TechnoTeam, which is a manufacturer in Germany of imaging luminance and color measurement devices, camera-based measurement systems. And I work as a develop engineer at TechnoTeam.
Can you tell us a little bit more on what are you currently working on and what are the challenges?
Actually, I'm working on metrology concepts. So I'm trying to solve the question how to measure a specific phenomenon in a way that it is repeatable and reproducible, so that if you perform the measurement twice, for instance, in laboratory A and in laboratory B, that you get a similar result for comparison, and that this works. And this is what I'm actually doing. And examples, for instance, sparkle or other phenomena, non-uniformity of displays, sticking images, image retention, these kind of things. And this can be true for flat panels, for curved displays, or for AR, VR devices. Mm. And I'm also working, because TechnoTeam is a very small company, I'm also sometimes working as a project manager, for instance, for our robotic measurement-based systems.
This week is coming soon. And is this your first time attending this week? Do you have any thoughts on the previous this week?
It's not my first time attending Display Week. It's actually my fourth time at the Display Week. So I attended in 2018, 19, and 20. The most intense of those three was definitely the Display Week 2019, because it was a very big event. It was a very big exhibition. I was partially responsible also for the booth, or for parts of the booth. I was at the symposium then. I had a presentation, and there were a lot of meetings with partners, with customers, and metrology meetings from international organizations. For instance, IEC meetings are usually slightly before Display Week as an in-person event. And also there was an ICDM meeting during the Display Week. So 2019 was extremely intense and was a really great experience. By far the biggest event I attended so far in my career. And 2020 was, of course, different for everyone. I enjoyed the symposium. I think the symposium with the recorded videos and also the author interviews via this chat tool worked. And actually, I attended more symposium presentations as in 2019, because I could really choose when to hear it. And sometimes during the real Display Week, I did not have the time to go to the presentations I wanted. Yeah, I think that's basically it. The exhibition in 2020 was not comparable to 2019, but virtual exhibition is new for everyone. So I think we still have to learn how to do these kind of things. This is also true for our own booth that we had in 2020.
In the future, this week, maybe the hybrid mode is best for our attendees.
Yes, I also think so. I also hope that that 2021 we have an hybrid event, because I also know some people here in Europe who don't like to fly too much to different meetings and to fly to conferences all the time, because they're getting they're not that young anymore, and they really enjoy the aspects of having this remotely and can hear the symposiums from home. But for the exhibition and for personal, to really talk to people, to have discussions at the booth, to have discussions at some coffee tables. I really hope that the next display week, so 2022, can be an hybrid event.
In Display Week 2021, what are you most excited about to see?
Well, visually the sessions on display metrology, and also some sessions of displays generally, especially automotive displays. AR/VR sessions to learn about visual problems, human factor problems, especially the optical ones, and then of course other topics related to vision. But the metrology sessions are of course the most important ones for me.
In Display Week 2021, do you have anything to present?
I have one presentation which is about visually display metrology, and it's about uniformity measurements. So the main topic is how to make a uniformity measurement of lateral uniformity. So how bright is each pixel, for instance, from a short distance. Because for large displays or for displays with a strong viewing angle dependency, you require usually a large measurement distance to make a lateral uniformity measurement. And in this presentation, I will talk about how to reduce the measurement system, which can be useful if you have either a very large display or if you have less space, for instance, in a production environment.
Thank you very much, Ingo, for joining us today, and have a good one, and hope to see you in person in the future this week.